Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I will be showing you how to code the Bessel function in Python. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you'd like to plot the Bessel function over a certain range of values, but you obviously need to know how to code the Bessel function and actually call it in Python first. So I'll be showing you how to code the Bessel function in Python today. Check out the video description as I'll try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. To do this, make sure that you have the package scipy installed on your computer because we're going to be importing a package from there. So you're going to type from scipy import special as sp, and you're just going to run that. Great. Now after that, we're just going to, you can just use whatever you want to assign your Bessel function to. So I'm just going to say bf for Bessel function equals, and then I'm going to type sp dot, and this is going to call the Bessel function of the first kind. So it's jv, and then I'm going to put a set of brackets, and inside the brackets the first input is going to be the order of the Bessel function. So I'll just let that be n, and that's just an integer. And then the next input is going to be the argument of the Bessel function. So basically the Bessel function will be a function of x. So yeah, that's basically the two inputs that are needed, and then n can be any integer and x will be your range of values. Obviously this is not what you type, but yeah, and that's basically it. If you wanted to know how to code the Bessel function in Python, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.